Hello students, welcome to Sophistic Learning Platform. Today we are going to study Java programming. First of all, we will cover introduction to Java. Later on, we will discuss the program in the Java. So first we will learn what is Java. Java is a programming language. Programming language has capability to take decisions. And the origin of the Java. Originally, Java was developed by Sun Microsystem, which was initiated by James Gosling and released in 1995. And why Java is used to develop the applications? And what type of applications you can develop with Java? So we can develop mobile applications, especially Android apps, web applications, desktop applications, games, web servers and application servers. Web servers are those servers which can give response to the client's request. They can give response by sending them the web pages, and application server is present in the web server, whose one of the main function is which converts the PHP code also only from the web page. Next is database connection. So Java can be used to develop the database connection also. Why we use Java? Java works on different platforms. It works on various operating systems and Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular languages in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use, and it has huge community support. Huge community support is there for Java. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows the code to be reused and lowering the development cost. Java is a pure object oriented language. अब आपको object oriented language के बारे में पता होगा कि जो object oriented languages होती हैं इसमें हम classes objects का यूज़ करते हैं. जब हम classes object का यूज़ करते हैं तो उसमें एक reusability जो concept है ना वो आ जाता है. क्या होता है कि हम एक code को multiple time यूज़ कर सकते हैं without writing the same code again and again. जिससे क्या होगा कि हमारी memory wastage बहुत ज़्यादा reduce हो जाएगी. मेमोरी वेस्टेज अगर कम होगी तो ऑब्वियसली उसके साथ साथ हमारी डेवलपमेंट जो टाइम है, जो डेवलपमेंट कॉस्ट है वो भी तो रिड्यूस हो रही है अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ प्योर ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज. एंड एज जावा इज क्लोज टू C++ एंड शी हैश, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java and vice versa. Now we will study one program in Java. Okay, write class keyword. Class is a keyword, then class name. You can write any name in class name. Then curly braces start. Public static void main function, and pass here string arguments. Curly braces again start. Then write here system as capital of system dot out dot println, and write anything which we want to print on console and close parenthesis. Now we will study what is class keyword. What is class keyword? It is a keyword which is used to declare the class. क्लास को डिक्लेयर करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं? क्लास कीवर्ड का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज पब्लिक. पब्लिक क्या है? ये आपका एक एक्सेस मॉडिफायर है. क्या है ये? एक आपका एक्सेस मॉडिफायर. इट इज़ एन एक्सेस मॉडिफायर which tells us that JVM means Java Virtual Machine. That Java Virtual Machine can access it from outside the class. That Java can access it from outside the class. Okay. Then we have write a static. So meaning of static is, it belongs to the class without creating any object ड्यूरिंग द कॉलिंग. इसमें हमें कॉलिंग के टाइम पर अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे तब भी हम इसको मतलब इस प्रोग्राम को कॉल कर सकेंगे, इस क्लास को कॉल कर सकेंगे विदाउट क्रिएटिंग एनी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस क्लास. नेक्स्ट इज void. void मीन्स कि दिस प्रोग्राम विल रिटर्न अस नथिंग. ये प्रोग्राम है कुछ भी रिटर्न नहीं कर रहा है. इट does not return anything. कुछ भी रिटर्न नहीं कर रहा हमें. ठीक है, तो ये हमें कुछ भी रिटर्न नहीं कर रहा है. देन स्ट्रिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स क्या होती हैं? ये हमारी कमांड लाइन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैं. दीज आर द कमांड लाइन आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. हम जो भी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स पास करेंगे तो वो किस टाइप में हो जाएगी? वो हमारी स्ट्रिंग टाइप में ही जाएंगी. देन सिस्टम कीवर्ड भी हम इसमें सिस्टम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. दैट इज़ क्लास नेम. वो क्या है? क्लास का नेम है ऑफ जावा डॉट लैंग पैकेज. सिस्टम जो है वो क्लास का नेम है जावा डॉट लैंग पैकेज की. देन प्रिंट एलन जो है वो क्या है? एक मेथड है फॉर आउटपुट प्रिंट करवाने के लिए ऑन द कंसोल. मेथड फॉर प्रिंटिंग द आउटपुट ऑन द स्क्रीन. देन वी हैव out here also, which is static variable of type print stream, class of the system class. Okay, so class is the keyword which is used to declare class. Then class name, you can use any class name here. Okay, then public is a modifier which shows that JVM can access it from outside the class. Static means this program can be called without the creation of any object. Void, this function can be created. This function can be called without creation of its object. And void, it does not return us something, and it return nothing to us. And main, it is starting point of execution. So execution of this program will be started from main first. And string arguments means we can pass an arguments through of string type through command line. And system is a class name, and out is static variable of type print stream class, and println is a method which is used to print the output on the screen. And you can write, suppose I am writing here hello everyone. So output, first of all I have to use Java C, then name of this file. Suppose I am saving this file with the abc.java. Okay, and I am also using class name as abc. Okay, so I am writing here java c abc.java. Java C is used for compilation of this. It will compile it and generate a bytecode and generate a .class file of it. And then Java is a runtime environment, and then class name. Okay, ABC, and it will execute hello everyone. That's all, friends, for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe it, share it, like it, and comment it also. Thank you.